Okay, so this is how to use Pixlr for making a colorized portrait. So we're going to open up the Pixlr editor, and you're going to get this screen. If you already have a picture on the computer that you found, you can say open an image, and I'm going to pick this cool picture of my son Jude from the summer. So we're going to turn this into something even cooler with interesting color. So this is how to do it. We're going to focus on layers over here, adjustments up here, and the paint bucket and magic wand tool mainly over here. So here's how we do it. The first thing that we're going to do is drag the background layer to a new layer. So you drag it down. I dragged it to this new piece of paper, and I'm going to rename this into gray because this is going to be my grayscale version. I'm going to come up to adjustments, and I'm going to say desaturate. When I get rid of saturation, saturation is how much color there is. So if I get rid of the saturation, now it's just grayscale. Next, I'm going to make it into a graphic image by dragging gray back down to make another copy of that one. And now I'm going to call this poster because I'm going to use the posterization effect. So now on this layer that's highlighted, I go to adjustment, posterize, and now you can see it breaks it up into a scale of values. In this case, it starts with 4 by default, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps: light, medium, dark, and dark. You can change it however you want. You can make 5 steps, you can make 3 steps. To keep it simple, I'm going to leave mine at 3. So there you go, you have your posterized version. Now we're going to select these sections of value and make them sections of color. So you come over to your magic wand tool, and the magic wand is usually going to be automatically set up to be on contiguous. That means connected spaces. So if you pick your magic wand and it hits contiguous, then when I hit on this space, it does everything that's connected of the light white. If I want all of the white, you just take off contiguous, and now if I click on the white, all of the white in the picture is selected. Now, instead of just filling, make a new blank layer. So just click on this little piece of paper here, new layer, and on the new layer I'm going to pick the color that I want to fill it with. So here I'll take a light green, say OK, and now I get my paint bucket and fill it. Once you have it in, to get rid of these dotted lines, you just go to the marquee tool, which is this dotted line tool, and you just click anywhere that's not selected already. So I just added one color. Since it's on its own layer, I can turn it on and off. I can also adjust that layer, so I can go to adjustments, hue and saturation, and I can make it a different hue, different place in the color wheel, and I can make it more saturated or less saturated, and I can even make it lighter or darker. So I'll make this one the light one. Say OK. Next, I'm just going to do that with the other values on the poster layer. So back to the poster layer, select that one, magic wand on the middle grays, selected them, new layer to work on, and pick a new color to use. So now I'll just do a middle blue, and I will fill with my middle blue. Again, click on marquee and off somewhere, and now I have the light blue and kind of that darker blue. Last but not least, back to the poster layer, back to the wand, click on the darks, and now I can select a dark purple maybe, and I will fill in instead of making it black, now I'll give it some pizzazz and make it dark purple. When you're done with that, basically you have your image there. If I put the blue over top. So there's basically how you're going to get to the stage that you need it. You can see on the purple layer there, I needed to select the black too, so now I have the black there. I can pick the eyedropper, make sure it's purple, and now on the new layer I can fill in so all of it's purple. So there you go, you have different colors in different sections, and works out pretty well. Hope you enjoyed. Good luck.